February 17. Snowbound. Job chapter 37 verses 2 to 13. It is better to trust in the Lord than to put confidence in man. Psalms chapter 118 verse 8. It seldom snows in the southern states, but when it does, the cities are crippled. No one has a snowplow, so we have to wait for the snow to melt. A recent ice and snowstorm broke power lines and left our home without electricity and heat for 30 hours. Even when power was restored, we couldn't leave the house. Schools, businesses, and churches were closed for 4 days. Being snowbound reminded us of our weakness and God's great power. Sometimes God has to stop us in our tracks before we will remember Him. See Job chapter 37 verse 7. God has a purpose in everything, including the weather. He may allow adverse conditions to chasten us, to promote growth, or to show His love to us. See verse 13. Whatever the reason, we can trust His wisdom. Amen.